The way it is, but right now I'm gonna
and
need you.
that's fine, and I will respect that.
Okay, calm down.
No, you know
Listen
that.
to me. Grab your bag.
You know that. Do you see how that's a threatening system?
That's the way it is, man.
Not cool. I want to trust you. You said if I got up.
Stop.
No. Why?
Can a private company legally remove you from their property for speaking your mind? When does refusing a lawful order transform a civil dispute into a criminal offense? 3 encounters: federal law, state law, and constitutional rights in direct conflict. The answers are already written into the statute books. They may not be what you expect.
Okay. Hello.
We're going to take you off the aircraft.
Yep, you're gonna have to get off the aircraft,
Yeah,
okay?
and you're out there,
Yep.
and I compliment you in that way.
She's a representative of the aircraft. They don't want you flying on their plane today, okay? So you're gonna have to get off the
After they
aircraft.
made us wait and wait and wait.
Yeah, that's the way it is, but right now I'm gonna
And
need you.
that's fine, and I will respect that.
Okay, so I'm gonna need you to grab your bag and just
And I
step
did
off
not
the
do
aircraft.
anything, actually.
We'll talk about it outside.
Disruptive, besides speak my mind.
Okay.
And you know what? I live in America, and that's what fucking America's about.
Calm down.
No, you know
Listen
that.
to me. Grab your bag.
You know that. You know that.
Give me another unit on the plane, please.
If you are ever gonna put your hands on
Grab
me,
your bag.
no, I will grab my bag. But you know I'm gonna sit here and say what I'm saying.
Listen, no one's gonna put their hands on you unless you
Alright,
have to.
you
Grab
won't.
your bag and just step off
you
the
won't.
Okay, but I need you to get up.
No. You
Okay?
need me to get up? You may need me to get up, but you know what I feel my need to do as a person? Just like Jesus motherfucking Christ.
You need to calm down.
No, I'm gonna do what I need to do. I'm gonna say what I need to do, and if you're gonna do whatever you feel you need to do to me, right?
You ready?
So I'm gonna say what I have meant to say. No, to everybody.
Stand up, man.
Everybody is
You're
doing
gonna
this.
get arrested if you do not
I'm
stop.
already gonna get arrested.
You're gonna get arrested if you don't stand up and get off the
I'm
aircraft.
probably already gonna get
Do you want to get arrested?
I really,
Then stand up
honestly-
and get off the aircraft. That's all you have to do.
It's not about that, man.
Okay.
You can
I'm
do
gonna ask
your
you one more
duty.
time, and then I'm gonna have to put my
But-
hands on you. Okay?
For what reason?
Because
though?
you're not
No, let me
listening.
ask you that. You're gonna put no.
Fly.
And that's fine. That's fine. Why do you have a right to put your hands on me, though?
Okay, let's go, Russ.
Come on.
No,
That's
why
it.
do you have a right to put your hands on me?
Ma'am,
What am
stand
I
up.
doing that makes you feel like you have a right to put your hands on me?
Tell
Seriously,
him to
though,
be quiet.
can you tell me that?
Tell him to be quiet.
Can you just help me to understand as a human that is alive? Why do you seriously though?
Yep. Get him
Like
off.
seriously, why? Can you just tell me that? Like I'm actually asking you as a
At this
person.
point, here's what's happening. They're gonna deplane the aircraft. I'm gonna take you off the
That was
plane,
already happening. Don't.
and you're going to jail. Just so
No,
you
that
know.
was already happening.
It won't happen
Okay.
if you get up and walk out with me right now.
Yeah.
But if you're not
I
going
don't
to,
trust
Yep.
that.
Right now, they're gonna deplane. As soon as they deplane, you're going to jail. Okay? If you do not get up, that's how it's gonna work.
Do you see how that's a threatening system?
That's the way it is, man.
It's not cool.
Are you
I
gonna-
want to trust you. You want to trust me? That's not healing. We're not healing.
Okay, get off the
That's
plane.
not
Come on.
healing.
Get off the plane.
Can I trust you to not? I feel like you're still gonna. Okay.
Let's go. Off the plane. Grab your stuff. Grab your stuff.
Are
Get
you
off the
gonna? Can I
aircraft.
trust you?
Listen, have I touched you yet? I'm trying to get you off the aircraft. That's
Right,
all we're
to get
trying
me
to
off
do.
to do a control situation. If I get off the plane,
No.
you said you wouldn't arrest me. So you as a cop should have to honor that.
we're trying
Russ.
not
Right?
to arrest
No,
you.
you should though. You should have to honor that. That's my right.
Go talk to the captain. Tell him we need to
No,
remove
it
her.
really is though. That's my rights. Like you need to. No,
Sit.
we're getting to the point
Let's-
where you're not
go.
you're not respecting my human rights
Let's
as a
go.
constitution. Get my rights. That's not cool.
You're done.
I didn't do anything that did anything to. No, man, that's not okay, dude. That's not okay. You know it.
29 Central,
You know
10:15.
Why did you have power? You represent power.
Get over here. Up against the wall. You're going to be placed in handcuffs, okay?
I
see your phone.
I didn't do anything wrong,
yeah,
dude.
we tried talking to you.
No, you really didn't. I talked back to you, and I was calm, and you honestly
behind your
acknowledged
back.
me for a moment, and then you didn't.
Leave your hands there.
Why did you do that? Like that? You didn't have to do that like that. It
Okay.
didn't have to be like that.
Come with me.
I wasn't doing it.
Come with me.
No, man. This shit is fucked up, and you are a part of this system. And you don't. You do. You looked at me. I saw you Please look at me in my eyes. That's not real, man. That's
Just grab her bag.
Real, man.
Is there a bag on
Yeah,
there?
yeah, she had a green backpack.
That's not real, man. I know that's not what you just said. If I got up and walked out and you
You have a vehicle?
why did you talk to me like that? I didn't do anything wrong. I was
Let's
just
go. This
speaking
way,
my
this way.
mind, man.
We didn't have time to
Why
deplane.
are you doing that? See, you lied right there, man. You said if I got up.
Stop.
No. Why would I stop when you lie to me? How is anyone gonna stop anything when you lie to them?
You had your chance, ma'am.
I had my chance.
I
You
asked
didn't
you-
even give me
I
a
asked
chance. I
you-
looked at you in your eyes,
asked you
and I
10
knew
times.
you were lying to me. No. Don't. You can't bullshit a bullshitter. That's funny. No. That was the resistance that you felt. No.
I asked you
You're
5 times
better
to
than
get off that plane.
dude. You're
I asked
better
you
than
5
that. I
times.
saw you outside before I even came in with your mask off. No, you're better than that. That's not
Put it
cool.
in.
That's not cool, dude. It's really not. It's really not. I am not a person hurting anybody. I'm a person hurting. This is not okay.
Cut it off.
No, that's not okay. You're gonna fucking arrest me for what? What are you arresting me for?
Interference with flight operations and trespass after landing. That's what you're getting arrested for. Okay?
You know I'm furious right now.
Yes, we are.
You want to take it to the other side?
We're just gonna pat it
I
down
have
real
a
quick.
fucking cat. I need to get home to. Like, what?
Alright, do me a
He's
favor,
gonna pat
widen
you
your
down.
stance for me, please, alright?
What? I didn't do anything. You're mad. This system is fucked, and you give me all the reasons to keep saying it like that. Like, in the eyes you
Is this
give me,
open or not?
you do. Like, really, all of you, you know you're fighting for a system that isn't just to you all. You do. You know that. You know that. You really do. And if you don't, then that's just fucked up. I'm like,
Okay, have a seat.
how could you
Watch your head.
Why? Cruel motherfucking.
Yeah, it's been a lot of talk. I had to pull her off an aircraft, so I don't know how she's gonna act now, but she's been chirping the whole time, so we'll see how it goes. All right, ready to step out? Are you gonna comply with everybody?
No, with you two, yes. Not with you, because you're a liar.
Okay.
No, he said literally the reason he
You
has
guys
me
ready?
arrested right now is fucking wise. You looked at me in my eyeballs. I looked at you outside of the plane before I ever went in there. You didn't have masks
No.
on. No, can I say something before anybody takes me out so that I can just say what I have to say? And then I can say what I have to say, and then that's... I will do what y'all
You
want
need
me
to
to
take her
do
out?
because
Yeah.
I'm here now.
Oh, okay.
No, it's.
Here.
I don't get. It doesn't matter about that. What matters is that you have an unjust officer that's abusing his power, and you need to know that, Timothy.
Hey. Can I
RSW. My mother's a social worker, and you're about to like really because you made eye contact with me before I ever got on that plane. You acknowledged the fact that you weren't wearing a mask.
Hey.
And then you got on the plane, and then you made eye contact with me, and then you manipulated the situation. No, that's what happened. Like, I'm sorry, that's what happened. So, I know the...
Here, let me get your temperature at least.
Anybody? No? Yeah? We're just gonna take them.
No, I'm not
I
complaining, you guys.
appreciate it.
Y'all just... And, oh, you think he's cute? Oh, yeah, I thought he was cute, too. I looked in his eyeballs, and I thought he looked into my eyeballs, and then he abused that.
Hello.
Yeah.
What's your name?
And this is an
Interference with flight operations.
Seriously,
Trespass,
please
that's a
just
warning.
get somebody
Her
to
name
listen to me.
is
What's your name?
Gabrielle.
I don't want to tell you anything until you listen to what I'm saying. That I am being arrested for things that are unjust. I was on an airplane. I was doing nothing. I was speaking my mind. I should not be arrested right now,
Okay, but
man.
right now, we have to follow procedures and we'll get to the bottom of what's happening.
You're not following my human rights. These are my constitutional procedures, okay? But I need to follow your procedures,
Step out.
right?
Step out. Take your leg out.
Can I have your name, please, first? Can we just adopt something that makes me want to be safe? Why can I not be safe?
Hey,
Why is this like this? This is not my human rights. Stop. I would relax if you would let me. You're not.
Is she good?
Oh my God.
49 U.S.C. 46,504. Assaulting and intimidating or interfering with a flight crew member is a federal criminal offense. The FAA may impose civil penalties up to $25 per violation without a criminal conviction. Airlines require no court order to remove a disruptive passenger. This authority is statutory and immediate. TSA security directives issued under 49 U.S.C. 114 carry the force of federal law. Mask refusal aboard a commercial aircraft was not a policy violation. It was a federal regulatory violation. This authority operates independently of any state statute, airline contract, or personal belief. Hudgens v. NLRB, 424 U.S. 507, 1976. The First Amendment restrains government actors, not private entities. Private airline or commercial bank may enforce any conduct policy without triggering constitutional review. Invoking free speech on private property is legally insufficient to compel continued presence or entry. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989. Force is evaluated under a three-factor test: severity of the offense, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and whether they were actively resisting. Reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of action, not from hindsight. Colorado Revised Statutes 184504, first-degree criminal trespass. Unlawfully remaining on premises after a lawful exit order is a criminal offense, not a civil disagreement. Each refusal of a lawful directive generates independent criminal liability from that moment forward. Colorado Revised Statutes 1832-104, third-degree assault. Spitting on another person constitutes harmful or offensive physical contact under this statute. This charge arises from a single act and stands independently of all other charges in the same encounter. People v. District Court, 632 P2D 1022, Colorado 1000, 981. A victim electing not to prosecute is persuasive but does not bind the district attorney. DDA retains full independent authority to file charges. Victim cooperation affects strategy, not authority. Colorado Revised Statutes 188104, obstruction of a peace officer, Class 2 misdemeanor. Any physical or sustained verbal interference with an officer performing a lawful duty satisfies the statute. A personal belief that the officer's action is unlawful does not constitute a legal defense to obstruction. U.S. Constitution. Fourth Amendment. Warrants must describe the place and items to be seized with particularity. Rackers v. Illinois, 439 U.S. 128, 1978. A standing challenge requires a legitimate personal expectation of privacy. A third-party ownership claim over a seized item does not invalidate the warrant. It initiates a separate proceeding. Lesson 1. First Amendment protections end where private property begins. Lesson 2. Each refusal of a lawful order is a new criminal act. Legal exposure compounds with every refusal. Lesson 3. A single offensive physical act generates criminal liability independent of all prior conduct. Lessons 4. Victim declining to prosecute is not legal immunity. State prosecution remains fully available. 3 locations, 4 statutes, federal, state, and constitutional law applied simultaneously. Were all of the charges legally justified at every stage of this encounter? Did the search warrant scene reveal facts that the arrest record does not? The complete legal file has not been made public. What it contains may change this analysis entirely.